Hey, I'm gonna give y'all a couple trading secrets. If you just starting out, I feel like these is something that you need to know. All right. First one, make sure if you want to learn how to trade, make sure you download TradingView. It's on your iPhone in the Apple Store. It's an app. Download TradingView. When you download TradingView, I want you to pick a pair on there. You know, you can pick gold, Tesla, Amazon, whichever you want. Pick one. All right. Look at it. See how it move. All that. Now, the next thing I want you to do, I want you to learn how to mark up a chart. A lot of people don't tell you this in the beginning. They don't tell you gotta learn how to mark charts up, but this is critical information. Learn how to mark up a chart. Learn how to read candles. Learn about the candles. Learn about the different kinds of candles. Learn about the patterns. All right. Learn how to do an analysis. Dig what I'm saying? So if you're starting out, you definitely gonna need those. Okay. Learn about lot size. Learn about risk management. All that. That's for the beginners. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna need to know this. This is critical information. This is one of the main things that mess a lot of people up. Set a daily loss limit. All right. If your day set it at, you can set it at $50, you can set it at $30, however much. It really just depends on your account size. So you're working with a $500 account, a $1,000 account, set your daily loss limit at like $25. If you lose that $25, you done for the day. You're gonna wait till tomorrow, you know, different stuff like that. And this was a game changer for me. I ain't gonna lie, because when I first started, I didn't have a daily loss limit. I'm just trading, blowing accounts, you know, all kind of stuff like that. But it clicked, have a daily loss limit. Dig what I'm saying? With the daily loss limit, once you hit it, you're done for. You're done with it. Straight up. If it gets hit. Now, if it don't get hit, then you in profit. You know what I'm saying? So you got to look at it from both ways. You dig what I'm saying? You gotta be prepared for the losses and you gotta be prepared for the wins. You dig what I'm saying? So make sure you set your daily loss limit, depending on your account size. You know, whatever you comfortable with, you know, if it's just $20, if you comfortable just losing $20 a day, set it at $20. You know what I'm saying? If you got a big account, $1,000, $2,000 account, maybe you want to set your daily loss limit to like $50, $75. So make sure you have that set. It's a game changer, I'm telling you. Never trade with money that you need. Dig what I'm saying? If you're only working with $1,000, $1,500, do not put the whole 15 in there. All right? Put like a band in there. You feel me? Say I'm 50, something like that. Because the thing about it, you want to still be comfortable while you trading. You don't want that in the back of your mind. Oh, if I lose, then ooh. So, no, that's why you never trade with money that you need. You feel me? If you got $10,000, you know what I'm saying? You can throw like 5 in there. You know what I'm saying? Keep 5 in your pocket. And the thing about that, you're gonna trade a lot better. You're gonna trade a lot better. Some people be out here just they make it detrimental. They make it to where it's hard. Make it easy. The easier you make it, the better you're gonna trade. You know what I'm saying? The less that you gotta stress about it and all kind of extra stuff like that, then you're good. You're good, because the last thing you want is to think, oh man, I might lose all this. No, you ain't supposed to have it all in there anyway.